Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix high disk usage for your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So let's go quick into the process. So if you know that you're experiencing this issue, then you just have to fix that with the following solutions that I'm going to share. So first is in the Windows search bar, type here services, best match, go ahead and click on that. Then here in the list of services, you need to look for the connected device platform service. So scroll down to letter C and look for the connected devices platform service. Right click and then select properties. Startup type, you can change this to disabled. Don't worry, this will not affect the processes of your Windows, and just click on stop and then click on apply and then okay, and then scroll down to letter S and look for the sysmain service, this one. Right click, select properties, startup type, make sure this is disabled and just click on stop, apply and then okay. Now once done, close this window. Then we are also going to perform a disk cleanup. So search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar, best match. Go ahead and click on that. Now you need to choose the drive where you want to clean that drive. Now I'm going to choose the Windows C drive. Then click on OK. Then here you just have to click on all of these boxes or check all of these boxes and then click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files. And we just have to wait for that process to be done. Once done, in the Windows search bar, type here Task Manager Best Match. Go ahead and click on that. Then here in the Task Manager window, you have to click on the Startup Apps on the left pane. Now you have to change the status from enabled to disabled. Now, you have to disable all the unnecessary startup applications. Again, disable all unnecessary startup applications. So right-click and then select disable. Right-click disable. Right-click disable. Right-click disable. And then simply close the Task Manager window. Then for the next method is go ahead and search for File Explorer. Best match. File Explorer. Then right-click on your Windows C drive and then select Show More Options. Now click on Properties. We are going to turn off Day Scheduler Optimization. So here you have General, Tools, Hardware, and Sharing tab. Click on the second tab, the Tools tab, and you'll find Optimize and Defragment Drive. Optimizing your computer's drives can help it run more efficiently. Now click on Optimize. Then here, make sure that you are going to turn off the scheduled optimization. So here, simply click on change settings because mine is currently on. Then simply uncheck this box on run on a schedule, which is the optimization schedule, and click on OK. And then simply close this window and close this windows. And then also for the last method is you need to make sure that your Windows is up to date. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on Windows Update. Then here, simply click this button, Check for Updates. So this will download and install the latest update for your Windows. So this will download and install the latest update for your Windows. So once this is done, you just have to simply close this window and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows to apply all the fixes that we have done. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.